welcome to my channel Max and Me. Today I'm at this lovely resort called Club Mahindra Assonora. I'm going to give you a quick review of the place and show you all around in less than 5 minutes. I'll try to keep it in 5 minutes. Now the first thing you notice about this area is there's a lot of greenery around. Max, just show them the area. There are hills around the resort and the gardens are nicely well maintained. Now let's go and check out the room. Okay. Wait, Max, please come back. Guys, if you all haven't subscribed, all you need to do is just move those little fingers and click on that subscribe button, please. Thank you so much. Let's go check out the room.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So now that you've seen the resort, I would just like to add a few things. They have a gym with limited equipment. They also have a spa and parking is available inside the resort. Now coming to the little small minor disadvantages. Now this place is very far from all the beaches and the main market areas of Goa. It's pretty far and that's a big disadvantage if you don't have your own vehicle. Even if you have your own vehicle, it is a good 40 minutes drive from this place to the nearest market or the nearest beach. You can also hire a rickshaw which will cost you around 400 rupees to go to Mapsa market. Okay, but you'll get the rickshaws only at Assnora bus stand. So you have to walk a good 2 kilometers to actually get that. When it comes to the food of Club Mahindra is always great. It's nice, but it's sometimes pricey. I mean, actually it's every time pricey. And you tend to look out for places outside the resort, and that's another smaller disadvantage because there's absolutely nothing close by here for another 2 kilometers. Now, the closest proper restaurant that you will find here is around 10 minutes away. It's called Adiga's Lake View. It's a nice place to chill out. Pretty good food, but that's like the best you would get anywhere close by over here. So apart from the resort being far away from all the beaches and the city, it's a lovely place to stay here for a couple of nights and then move on to another place to explore Goa, because the real feel of Goa is when you're closer to the beaches. So before I go, just a quote from the Buddha. The problem is we all think we have time, real deep. Now I don't have time, so I want to go and take a dip in the pool. Let's go.
Like a bird on a tree.
Max, focus here, please.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see